बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। दोस्तों मैं हूं मेहरान अली और आप देख रहे हैं मेहरान टीवी यूट्यूब चैनल। और आज हम शेक्सपियर के ट्रेजेडी प्ले हैमलेट के MCQs जो है वो करेंगे। तो चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट है, विच कैरेक्टर स्पीक्स फ्रॉम बीनीथ द स्टेज टूवर्ड द एंड ऑफ एक्ट फर्स्ट? द ट्रू आंसर इज ए, द घोस्ट। Who returns Hamlet to Denmark after his exile? The true answer is C, a group of pirates. थर्ड है, what is Hamlet's mother's name? हेमलेट की माँ का नाम कैसे नहीं पता? हेमलेट की माँ का नाम B is true, गर्ट्रूड था। In Hamlet, Shakespeare uses the word strumpet. What does this mean? True answer is A, prostitute. Laertes, Fortinbras, Horatio, Osric, Ophelia are characters from which play? The true answer is C, Hamlet. Whom does the king send to spy on Hamlet? ये 2020 का जो PPSC इंग्लिश लेक्चरशिप का जो टेस्ट हुआ था उसमें भी आया था। ट्रू आंसर इज सी, Rosencrantz and Guildenstern. When Hamlet's father dies, his brother takes the throne and also marries his wife. What is brother's name? The true answer is D, Claudius. क्लाडियस जो है वो किंग हैमलेट का भाई था जो कि गर्ट्रूड से शादी कर लेता है हैमलेट की माँ से। How many acts are there in William Shakespeare's play? The true answer is C, 5 acts. इसके ज़्यादातर जो प्लेज हैं उनमें 5 acts ही हैं। Of which character does Hamlet remark, thou wretched, rash, intruding fool? The true answer is A, Polonius. What is the name of Shakespeare's tragedy wherein almost everyone dies? True answer is A, Hamlet. Hamlet says these words after he is upset after seeing his mother Gertrude with her new husband Claudius. Oh, that this too solid dash would melt. ऐसे होगा, oh that this too solid flesh would melt. B is true answer. After Hamlet's death, Horatio says, now cracks a dash heart, a noble heart. A is true. What is the word missing from this quote from Hamlet? I must be dash only to be kind. I must be cruel only to be kind. This is the true. A is true. Finish this quote by Hamlet. The rest is silence. Silence आएगा यहाँ पर। What is the word missing from this quote from Hamlet? The conscience does make dash of us all cowards. Thus conscience does make cowards of us all. When Hamlet is first left alone, he comments with some strength on the length of time that elapsed after his father's death before Gertrude married Claudius. How long does he first say it was? The true answer is B, less than 2 months. Which of the following reasons does Laertes put to his sister for treating Hamlet's love with caution? If she yields to him, her reputation will be open to slander. Hamlet's love was that of a young man and not lasting. All of these reasons. C is true कि दोनों चीज़ें थी। Which of the following is not a part of Hamlet's disordered clothing that Ophelia described to her father? पहला भी था कि उसने कैप नहीं पहनी हुई थी, हिज कफ्स वो वर स्टेन्ड विद इंक, ये नहीं था। बाकी लेसिस भी खुली थी। विच 2 pictures डज हेमलेट फोर्स हिज मदर टू लुक एट? ट्रू आंसर इज वन ऑफ हेमलेट्स फादर एंड वन ऑफ क्लॉडियस। ये बी वाला आंसर ट्रू है। क्लॉडियस और हेमलेट दोनों की तस्वीरें थी एक एक, वो दिखाने का कहता है। विच कैरेक्टर वेंट मैड बिफोर ड्राउनिंग? ट्रू आंसर इज ओफीलिया। ओफीलिया डूबने से पहले पागल हो जाती है। How did Hamlet deal with his disloyal friends Rosencrantz and Guildenstern forged their death warrants? तो ये बी वाला ऑप्शन जो है ट्रू है. Who does Hamlet mistakenly stab through a curtain? The true answer is Polonius. नेक्स्ट है who does not die by the means of poison tipped sword? The true answer is Ronaldo. How did Claudius murder Hamlet's father? True answer is B. By pouring poison into his ear while he slept. नेक्स्ट है who was responsible for Gertrude's death? The true answer is Claudius. इसने जहर मिलाया हुआ था शरबत में, वो पी लेती है. Why did not Hamlet kill Claudius the first time he set out to do so? The true answer is A. He found Claudius kneeling in prayer. फिर है जी who said the following? Go, go, you question with the wicked tongues. The true answer is B. Hamlet. Who said the following? I saw him once. He was a goodly king. The true answer is C. Horatio. Who said the following? A. That incestuous, that adulterous beast. The true answer is Ghost. एक दफ़ा आप देख लें, कंफर्म कर लीजिएगा. Who said the following? Nothing but to show you how a king may go a progress through the girds of a beggar. The true answer is Hamlet. Hamlet ने कहा था. Who said the following? I see the imminent death of 20,000 men. The true answer is B. Hamlet. Who said the following? I am more an antique Romer than a Dane. The true answer is Horatio. Fidelity thy name is. The true answer is D. Woman. Where does the ghost appear during the play? The true answer is C. The castle ramparts and Gertrude's bedchamber. How did Claudius murder King Hamlet? The true answer is B. By pouring poison into his ear. Where is the university at which Horatio and Hamlet studied? The true answer is D. Wittenberg. Whose skull does Hamlet discover in the churchyard? The true answer is A. Court jester. Which of the following character cannot see the ghost? The true answer is Gertrude. Where do Hamlet and Laertes fight during Ophelia's funeral? ये ऐसा MCQ जो कई दफ़ा आ चुका है. True answer is D. Inside the grave itself. Which of the following characters survived the play? The true answer is A. Fortinbras, Horatio, Osric. What does Hamlet claim to be to tell the difference between when the wind is from the south? The true answer is a hawk and a handsaw. In which history of Denmark did Shakespeare find background material for this play? The true answer is B. Saxo Grammaticus. Why, according to Polonius, has Hamlet gone mad? The true answer is C. He is in love with Ophelia. Who is the last character to die in the play? The true answer is Hamlet. Hamlet सबसे आखिर पर मरता है. How many characters die during the course of the play? The true answer is D. 8 characters. Who speaks the famous to be or not to be soliloquy? The true answer is Hamlet. In what country do Rosencrantz and Guildenstern die? The true answer is England. Why does Hamlet decide not to kill Claudius after the travelling players play? The true answer is Claudius is praying. Who killed Fortinbras' father? The true answer is Hamlet's father. So these were the MCQs. I hope these were very beneficial, very important for you.